Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the internal explosion in the composite pipe, which is made with two-layer inside and outside aluminium with damage behavior, and the middle we use the bamboo as a green composite or recyclable composite between two aluminium layers. So if I request, for instance, any of the damage parameter, for instance, this, you can see it is the damage which is happened under the internal explosion. Let me first replace the bamboo and then check the damage variables. For instance, here, see, or this, or you can see the other damage variables. For instance, here, damage compression for the fiber, tension for the fiber, compression for the matrix, then the tension for matrix, or other results like stress, for instance. This is the result for the bamboo fiber, and it is filled completely. Let me check the other as the aluminium. You can see here the aluminium is fully filled. You can see it is filled completely, and these are the fragments of the aluminium, and this is the damage. This is the stress, and let me check the JC damage here. This is the JC damage, displacement, plastic strain, or any other damage variables like this. You can see it is fully damaged, both parts fully damaged in this internal explosion. So if you need to model the composite pipe like this with aluminum and bamboo fiber with damage behavior, you can use this tutorial. If you want to provide this tutorial, come to our website. Here, this is our website, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, then click on the title or blue sign. You will have title, geometry assembly, definition, introduction, material method, and then the result as figures. The cost for the CAE, INP, and English video file, step-by-step, and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. We have also here a full package containing more than 400 tutorials. If you provide this full package, you will be a master in modeling and simulation Abaqus in all things. For instance, we mentioned here the main titles, and in each main titles we have a lot subtitles like this. Here, explosion with all method for all materials, of all materials, impact, welding, biomechanic, forming, crack, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal structure simulation, cyclic analysis, masonry, discrete element method, and many things here. The cost for this full package is 230 euros. You can use also PayPal account for the payment or Visa or MasterCard. Each tutorial contains CA and English video file and papers. And if you want to provide this exceptional package, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.